Hello South Africa. N3 in Ashburton close following truck collision resulting in paraffin spill. Motorists have been urged to delay travelling following the closure of the N3 on both bounds in Ashburton, Pietermaritzburg. This comes as two trucks were involved in a collision on Thursday, August 10, with one carrying paraffin. The KwaZulu-Natal Department of Transport said there is currently huge congestion in all routes between Pietermaritzburg and Durban. The congestion has now spilled over to alternative routes such as R103 and R603. In a recent incident, the N3 between Cato Ridge and Hammersdale, KwaZulu-Natal was closed to traffic following an accident that claimed one person's life while 18 others were injured. According to emergency service, ALS paramedics, they arrived on the scene to find total carnage as two trucks and a fully laden taxi had collided, closing the entire national route. The emergency service said a quick triage system was set up and immediately more ambulances as well as advanced life support paramedics were dispatched to assist. One person, a female believed to be in her 40s, had sustained major injuries and there was nothing more paramedics could do for her and she was declared deceased on the scene. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.